Lightweight design, balanced grip, and easy controls make trimming comfortable and stress-free for everyday yard maintenance. Best cordless weed trimmer for women delivers power, control, and precision without arm fatigue. Ideal for small lawns, edges, and quick touch-ups. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. BLACK+DECKER 20-volt cordless trimmer. The BLACK+DECKER 20-volt cordless trimmer is a dependable choice for women who want a lightweight, easy-to-handle tool that still delivers consistent cutting performance. Built around a 6,200 RPM power drive transmission, this trimmer transfers more torque directly to the cutting string, making it effective for routine grass trimming and light weed control without feeling overwhelming to use. One of its biggest strengths is the automatic feed spool system, which feeds line automatically when needed, eliminating the need for bumping and reducing interruptions during work. Comfort is another strong point, thanks to its lightweight build, adjustable handle, and height positions that allow users to find a natural working posture. This helps reduce arm, wrist, and back strain during longer sessions. The included 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery offers solid runtime for small to medium yards and provides improved efficiency compared to older battery packs. Overall, this BLACK+DECKER trimmer is well suited for women who want a balanced mix of simplicity, comfort, and reliable performance for regular lawn maintenance. Number 2. Worx String Cordless Trimmer. The Worx String Cordless Trimmer stands out as a versatile and user-friendly option designed to make yard work easier and more precise. Its 2-in-1 trimmer and edger design allows quick transitions between trimming grass and edging borders, making it a practical tool for maintaining clean lines around walkways and flower beds. A key feature is the command feed spool system, which provides instant line feeding at the push of a button, giving users more control and reducing wasted line. Combined with the free Spools for Life program, this design also adds long-term value. Build makes it manageable for women who want comfort without sacrificing power. The 7,600 RPM no-load speed and 12-inch cutting diameter provide efficient trimming for typical residential lawns. An adjustable spacer guard protects plants and lawn ornaments, reducing accidental damage while working close to landscaping features. With 2 included 20V PowerShare Max lithium batteries, users benefit from extended runtime and the flexibility to use the same batteries across other Worx tools. Overall, this trimmer is an excellent option for women who value control, versatility, and clean results with minimal physical strain.
Number 3. Greenworks 24-volt cordless trimmer. The Greenworks 24-volt cordless trimmer is designed with comfort, adaptability, and simplicity in mind, making it a strong choice for women and beginners alike. Its 2-in-1 trimmer and edger functionality allows users to switch modes with a single button, eliminating the need for tools or complicated adjustments. This makes it especially convenient for maintaining sidewalks, driveways, and garden edges in one session. The 90-degree rotating head is ideal for handling uneven ground, tree bases, and sloped areas, reducing the need to twist or strain the wrists. Push-button start ensures hassle-free operation with no pull cords or warm-up time. Another advantage is its quiet operation and zero emissions design, making it suitable for noise-sensitive neighborhoods and early morning or evening use. With no gas, oil, or engine maintenance required, this Greenworks model focuses on convenience and ease of ownership. Overall, it's a practical and well-rounded cordless trimmer for women who want reliable performance, adjustable comfort, and low-maintenance lawn care. Number 4. ALDIPRO 400 CFM cordless trimmer. The ALDIPRO 400 CFM cordless trimmer offers a unique 2-in-1 solution by combining a string trimmer and a leaf blower into a compact, space-saving package. This design is ideal for women who want to complete yard work faster without juggling multiple tools. The 12-inch cutting width trimmer uses an auto-feed line system to handle overgrown grass and weeds efficiently, while the powerful 400 CFM 130 mph leaf blower quickly clears leaves and debris from patios, driveways, and walkways, allowing even single-arm operation when needed. Battery performance is reliable, with a 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery providing up to 40 minutes of trimming time or 15 minutes of blowing, and a rapid charger that restores power in about an hour. Smart battery indicators help users monitor remaining charge at a glance. Low noise output and reduced vibration further enhance comfort, especially for users sensitive to heavier equipment. Overall, the ALDIPRO combo is a practical choice for women seeking versatility, portability, and efficient yard maintenance in one streamlined tool.
Number 5. FuzhuNais 2000 mAh cordless trimmer. The FuzhuNais 2000 mAh cordless trimmer is a multifunctional tool designed for users who want flexibility and strong cutting capability in a compact format. Powered by an 850-watt motor with speeds reaching up to 20,000 RPM, it delivers impressive performance for trimming grass, weeds, and even light brush. Its 3-in-1 blade system allows users to switch between plastic blades for soft grass, rhombus blades for thicker weeds, and saw blades for small branches, making it adaptable to various yard tasks. Despite its power, the trimmer is designed with ease of use in mind, featuring an ergonomic handle that supports comfortable operation for women and older users. Being battery-operated, it starts instantly and avoids the noise and maintenance issues of gas tools. The 2000 mAh battery provides suitable runtime for small to medium yard tasks, making it a practical option for routine maintenance. Overall, the FuzhuNais cordless trimmer is a versatile and capable choice for women who want one tool that can handle multiple garden needs with adjustable comfort and solid performance.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.